Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing my baby version of green from Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with two circles near the top. Now inside each eye, on the bottom right, let's draw a curve up and back down. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start above the right eye and let's draw a line up. And now let's follow that same line underneath the eye like this. Now from the top, let's curve it over to the left. And the same thing from the bottom. And then let's close off the left side. Next, let's hop inside and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the left eye and let's draw a curve over to the right. Now underneath on the right, let's draw two pointed V shapes for the teeth. And now next to it, let's add the tongue. Let's start with a wavy line down and to the left. And then another one. And then close it off at the end. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head, let's leave a gap, and let's draw two lines down for the sides of the body. Now let's hop up under the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down on both sides for the tops of the arms. And then the bottom of the arm with another angle down on both sides like this. Next, let's hop back in, and before continuing drawing the arms, let's draw the rest of the bottom of the body. Underneath the sides of the body, let's draw a curve across for the top of the diaper. Then a curve down on the left side, and a shorter curve down on the right. Now from the left, let's curve it in, and the same thing on the right. And now let's connect them with the curve at the bottom. Next, let's add the legs. Underneath on the left side, let's draw two angled lines down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the right leg, let's draw two curves out to the right. And again, a curve at the end. And that's it for the legs. Next, let's move back up and finish the arms. From the left side, let's continue the lines down, out, and back in. and the same thing underneath. Now let's add the fingers at the ends. Let's draw 2 lines in, a point up and back down on both sides, and then a line across, forming 3 fingers. Now let's hop over and finish the right arm. Let's continue the top line by curving it out. Now let's do the same thing for the bottom, but behind the leg. Now let's add the fingers. Let's draw a line down from the top and up from the bottom. 2 V shapes in, and then close it off. And that's it for baby green. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!